Welcome back guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp, and in this video we are going to look at Armstrong number. So to start with, you need to know what an Armstrong number is. So if I take the numbers 1, 2, 3, an Armstrong number is if you divide each digit of these numbers, which are 1, 2 and 3, if you take the power raised to the length of the number. So the length is 3. So 1 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3 and 3 raised to 3. The addition of all of these 3 should equal to 123. So that is an Armstrong number. If the addition of the power of the length of the number is equal to the number itself, it's an Armstrong number. Clearly this is not the case because this is 27 plus 8 is 35 plus 1 is 36. So 36 is here and this is 123. This is not an Armstrong number. Armstrong number is 153, which means like 27 plus 125 plus 1. So that's 153. So to write this program, the first thing you have to do is divide this number into like each digit. So to do that, let's do a length of number and store it in L. So the letter L has the length. So for I in range, let's do L. What I'm going to do is print string of number of I. So this will give me index 0, index 1 and index 2. So let's run this and you will see it does not has a length because I have to convert it into a string. So put the string over there and run this now. So you have 153. So we have divided the numbers into each of its digits. So we can compute something with these digits. So what we have to do is do a power. So this is going to let's store it first. So the digit that we are going to work with is going to be in digit. So digit is this. And what we need to do now is put a raise to. So int, remember this is a string. So int of digit and into which is power of the length what we have. This is going to be an answer, and if I put print digit and answer, I will get the digits which are 1, the answer 125 and 327. So just so you know, the answer is digit into the power of the length of the numbers. So we have these 3 numbers. Now we need to add them. We need to add each of these numbers. So let's create a total variable which will be 0, and instead of this all I will do is total plus equal to answer. So at the end I will show you the number and the answer, actually total. So if I run this now, you will see we have 153 and 153. Let's do 123 and those are totally different numbers. Let's do a random number 156, 342, 192, 738. So these are not matching. So these are not Armstrong numbers. So what I will do now is if total is equal to number, print number is an Armstrong number. So let's run this now, and this is not an Armstrong number, so it didn't print anything. But if I do 153, it is an Armstrong number, so it is coming out correctly. So this is how you write an Armstrong number. Remember, it's a number that when each of its digit is raised to the power of the length of the number, then and the addition of all of those digits raised to its power of the length of the number is equal to the number. It's an Armstrong number. So 153 has 1 raised to 3, 5 raised to 3, and 3 raised to 3. That comes back to this. So that is it for this video, guys. Pretty short. It's a very confusing but interesting program. If you have any questions, please comment below. Don't go home or don't end this video with doubts in your mind. Just comment below. I will help you out, and like and subscribe for more videos. That's it, guys. I will see you guys in the next one.